In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Hostinger hosting with free domain. Plus, I will also show you how you can get 10% additional discount in this entire process. So watch this video till the end. So to buy Hostinger hosting with free domain, you just need to follow few simple steps. The very first step is just click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then it will take you to the latest Hostinger offer. So let's say when you are watching this video, at that particular time Hostinger is offering, let's say 80% discount, 90% discount or 95% discount, then you can claim that discount using the link given in the video description. Because I will update the link given in the video description time to time, I will find the best Hostinger deal and I will update the link given in the video description so that you can get the best Hostinger deal possible. So when you will click on the link given in the video description, then you will see a special landing page which will look something like this. From here you just need to click on this start now button. When you will click on it, then it will take you to the pricing section. So as you can see, Hostinger comes with 3 different pricing plan: premium plan, business plan and cloud startup plan. So let me quickly explain this pricing so that you can pick the right plan according to your requirement. So if you are just starting out and if you don't want to create more than 3 websites, then you can purchase premium plan which will cost you $2.99 per month. Okay, and also you will get 20 gigs of storage in this particular plan, and the major limitation of this plan is that you will get weekly backup only. So if you are just starting out, then this is not a limitation for you because you will not do major changes in your website every single day. You will hardly publish 3 to 4 articles per month. So in this case, this plan is worth for you. You should not have any problem with weekly backup in this case. And suppose if you want to create more than 3 websites and if you want daily and on-demand backup, then you can purchase business plan which will cost you $3.99 per month. With this plan, you can create up to 50 websites and you will get 50 gigs of storage, and also you will get daily and on-demand backup to prevent any data loss in this particular plan. And suppose if you want 20x more power for your website with cloud hosting, then you can purchase cloud startup plan which will cost you $7.99 per month, and with this plan you can create up to 100 websites. Okay, and you will get 100 gigs of storage and also you will get lots of other features as you can see. So for now I'm considering that you are going to purchase this business plan. So let's click on choose plan button. So when you will click on choose plan button, then it will take you to the checkout page which will look something like this. And you know what is the best part about this checkout page? That there is a coupon code section. As you can see, have a coupon code section. Just click on it and apply this coupon code which I'm going to give you. Coupon code is Sumit. When you will apply this coupon code, then it will give you 10% additional discount on top of whatever Hostinger is offering right now. So as you can see, when you will apply this coupon code, then you will get 10% additional discount. This coupon code is also in the video description. Just go and check it out. So after applying this coupon code, I will highly recommend you to select the 48 month from here, because if you will select 48 month plan, then you will get the highest discount. If you will select 48 month, then you will get 5 mailbox for free for 1 year, and also you will get free domain name for 1 year, and also pricing will be $3.59 per month. If you will select 24 month, then pricing will be more, which is $4.04 per month. If you will select 12-month plan, then pricing will be more, which is $4.49 per month. And if you will select monthly plan, then in this case pricing will be very high. As you can see, pricing is approximately $19 per month. And also if you will choose monthly plan, then in this case you will not get free domain and you cannot apply any coupon code here. Okay, so I will not recommend you to choose the monthly plan. I will highly recommend you to select the 48 month plan, because if you will select 48 month, then you will get highest discount. And after that, now I'm going to show you how to get free domain name for your website. For this, you just need to go to this secure your domain name section. As you can see here, you just need to enter your domain name. So let me write a random domain name here, which is enter your website name here.com, something like this. So as you can see, this domain name is available. So just click on it, and when you will select your domain name, then by default default it will select 2-year period. From here you just need to select 1 year to get this domain name for free. As you can see, pricing is $0. It means that you can claim this domain name for free for first year. Okay, and by the way, you need to enter your domain name which you want to purchase. For demo purpose I have written something like enter your website name here.com, something like this. So after applying coupon code, selecting the 48 month and selecting your domain name, just click on continue button. When you will click on it, then it will take you to the registration page where you need to enter a valid email address. Here you need to set a password for your account, and also you can provide phone number. It is optional, and also you need to click on this checkbox, and after that click on register button. When you will click on register button, then it will ask for your credit card detail to complete the payment. So in this way you can buy Hostinger hosting with free domain. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. If you found this how to buy Hostinger hosting with free domain video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this.